Hello again. This is the refrigerator cook. That's me. And we're going to get started on today's recipe. I don't know what it's called, but we'll get it out of the refrigerator. Again, get your coronavirus fixer right here. Make sure everything is nice and clean. I did clean this before, but just thought I'd clean it again since we did give the dog a bath up here just a few minutes ago. But anyway, throw this away. Now, what we're doing today is, if you like me, you went out to the store, got this big, beautiful ham, spiral cut and all that sort of stuff for Easter, because you always have a whole bunch of people over for Easter. And then the edict came down, nobody could leave their homes, so you're stuck with a bunch of ham. So we're gonna get rid of some ham today. Let me get it. It's always good with the spiral ham because you have nice, kind of thick pieces of ham. And just put these out here and cut them up into cubes, really. You know, hopefully you all know how to make cuts. Oh, there's a piece for my sous chef. Here, Scruff. Scruffy. And then just make them into little cubes here like this. My knives are not what you would call sharp, which makes them more dangerous, of course, but hey, you deal with what you've got. That should be enough. Okay, then what you're going to do here is put that one in your mouth. You're going to get a tortilla. Put a little rice in it. This one came out of the freezer, so it's a little chunky. My cinematographer over there, Carol Acker, give me directions that I'm not talking loud enough again. Let's see. Now we're gonna crack an egg. I got an egg here. Gotta make sure that it's not already hard boiled, and it's not spinning, so we'll crack that there. Put it right on there like that. Now I'm gonna break the yolk, spread it around on there a little bit. That aside. And put a little cheese on there too. Usually I would use cheddar, but I've used the cheddar all up. So I'll just make little strips here. I'm using Monterey Jack, the sharp stuff. Pepper jack. Now, what do? Now, this is the point where you put the ham on here. And then you chop up the onions and the tomatoes and that sort of stuff. Or if you do it like me, I just get some salsa and pour a little salsa on there. A little bit more. You can always add salsa to it afterwards. Now, I did forget one thing. I need some toothpicks. Might need more than one, so Then you just roll it up like this, or like this, like so. And you have yourself a little breakfast burrito or lunch burrito. And while it's cooking, you clean up the stuff here. I put it in the oven for about 2 minutes. Not the oven, but the microwave. I do a lot of stuff with the microwave. Quicker. Keeps the moisture in. I'm stalling for time here. because hey, we're doing a one-shot show here because my computer is acting up and I can't edit. So what can we say? I like those there. You seal this nice and good like this. You see how you seal this? And you seal this. And you seal this. Okay. Now leaving that there in case I need more. And I only have 1 egg left here. I'll have to leave that out and do something with it. The tortillas. Okay. Seal that up. I tell you, when I tried to get one out of here before, the seal was really tight. I thought I was going to rip the bag. Rarely find a seal that's so tight that it will rip the bag. That goes in the refrigerator. Oh God, we don't have 20s. Let's count down. 10, 9, 8. Oh, we're down to 5 already. And there you have it. I call it good. Tune in tomorrow for another fantastic recipe just out of the refrigerator.